First of all, I just want to go into a little bit about our mission at the Department of Employment Services. Our main goal is to administer our employment and related programs so that all segments here in the district can benefit. We can only achieve this through empowering and sustaining employer communities to be able to compete in all sectors of employment activities that are available here in the surrounding areas. This helps us to ensure that there's also economic stability as well as social stability. So let's talk a little bit about our first source employment agreement. So for any employer who has contracts that engage or use district money of $100,000 or more, they're required to sign a legal agreement with the department saying that they will hire 51% new hires will be district residents. I want to talk a little bit about the Workforce Investment Council, the WIC. There's been several briefings, white papers, position papers about the functioning of the Workforce Investment Council. So the mayor's vision is for an integrated workforce development system in which we have multiple partners working together in a coordinated manner to prepare our district residents to successfully compete for good jobs. DC Works, that's the branding of our career centers. We also call them one-stop centers. We just opened 2 new full-service centers. One is in Ward 8 in the southeast on MLK Avenue, and then we opened a second center in Ward 1 at the Reeves Building on 14th Street. These centers offer a wide variety of employment and career counseling, guidance, labor market information, anything you want to know related to occupations, careers, what's coming up as new careers, what's declining, and so you don't want to go into that. What are the training opportunities? You can get that information at our DC Works Career Center. Our apprenticeship program is a flagship program of the nation. In fact, it boasts one of the Department of Labor's best practices within this program. The Office of Apprenticeship is responsible for the administration system in the district. It provides potential apprenticeship sponsors with information. We do technical assistance, we do guidance, we help them get programs set up. So we have a Step Up initiative whereby we allow disadvantaged residents who meet a set criteria to become employed in skilled trades in the program. And they are able to earn a living wage up to 12 months, which gives them an opportunity to gain skills to prepare to get into apprenticeship trades, which those are really high-paying jobs if you are familiar at all with the apprenticeship trades. So the district was the first jurisdiction in the country to implement the Step Up program, and as I said, was recognized by the Department of Labor for its national model. We have about 200 apprenticeship sponsors with approved registered apprenticeship programs. That means 200 employers working with us in the apprenticeship program. And so in the last fiscal year, we had over 1,000 new apprentices accepted into the program, and then we had 50 new programs that were created as a result of the mandatory apprenticeship law that was passed here. We're collaborating with educational institutions. I'm very proud to say that the Community College of the District of Columbia and the University of District of Columbia have reached out to me already. Even before my feet really hit the ground in the office, I had calls from both presidents to talk about opportunities to collaborate and work together. So we're really excited about that. The career centers have individual training accounts placed within the University of the District of Columbia, and we're going to be opening a unique DC Works Career Center with the Community College of the District of Columbia, so we're really excited about that coming up. The university system and the community college is very key for us for adult basic education. In order to prepare the workforce and to have a trained workforce for employers coming into the district, we have to start reaching people at an early age. So as they exit the high school and the secondary ed system, for folks who are not yet prepared to work, we have to reach out and have adult basic education as well to help folks be able to come in and be successful on their jobs. So we have GED preparation and testing for adults that we're working on through the community college and through UDC. One of the services that we offer new employers coming in, and it's totally free, is from our business services group. This group actually goes out and becomes an account executive to employers, will help you to get job listings into our district job bank, so that's accessed by not only district residents, but it uploads into a national labor exchange where job seekers throughout the country can look and see what jobs are being offered here in the district. So if we can't meet the needs that you have from district residents, we will definitely get the jobs that you have as employers out to the nation so that they're aware of what positions we have as well. We coordinate pre-screenings, we do in-house recruitments, we have job fairs, we give you labor market information, we can give you profiles of what our unemployed look like by the zone level. We're working on getting that information down to the zip code level to help match unemployed residents with job opportunities. And those services are all free just by contacting the Department of Employment Services. Some of the things that we're working on in the program, we have a Talent Connect program where we're actually providing recruitment assistance for employers who are actually hiring in high demand positions like solar, energy, healthcare, education, where we'll offer some special services there as well. Just a little bit about our job order processing. This is when you as employers have openings that you want to post with us. We have, in 2009, posted over 4,600 job orders through our virtual one-stop system, which we call VOS. That's just our job bank. And in 2010, we had over 7,400 job orders that we processed. In the district, we have a high rate of ex-offenders who live within the district. We have a program designed to help our ex-offenders re-enter into the workforce. That's called our Transitional Employment Program, or TEP. And in that program, we have over 151 new partnerships developed with employers who are friendly to hiring ex-offenders. We have worked and partnered with over 450 companies since the inception of the reentry program back in 2000. We have the Work Opportunity Tax Credit, which is a great supplementary program for employers who want to take a chance and give someone a second chance on a job. For long-term TANF recipients, for qualified food stamp, which is now called the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. If you hire folks who are long-term disconnected summer youth employees, if you hire veterans, you can qualify for an additional tax credit under the Work Opportunity Tax Credit program. Shown on the board are some of the tax advantages you can get per individual if you hire in these targeted populations. For our seniors in the community, we have a Senior Community Service Employment Program. This program helps our seniors who still need to work, want to work. It's a subsidized program where we give them on-the-job work experience in targeted occupations, and then hopefully that leads to a long-term permanent position for them. We have the Base Realignment and Closure, or the BRAC program. We're working with Maryland on this program. We have a MOU for a regional workforce agreement, and through this agreement we have served literally almost 2,000 residents or veterans through the realignment program with Workforce Services. Last year, we participated in Microsoft's Elevate America program. This was a free training program that was sponsored by Microsoft. In the district, we distributed over 4,800 training vouchers. Folks who participated in that program had up to a year to complete the training at self-paced levels to increase their computer literacy skill, which is almost a foundation for any job that you have now.